Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The deadline given for the smart city works to be completed seems to be another false promises given, which politicians normally do during propaganda of elections. So the deadline given up to 31st May will be very difficult to achieve because the works are still going in haphazard manner. Suddenly one road is closed, entire road is closed. Next moment another road is closed. Suddenly another road is dug. You go to cross the road, pollution takes place. Huge amounts of dust are up. The people don't know which way to go. Chaos, traffic chaos. There's still no supervision, no planning, no coordination between departments. Some broken pipes, water pipes are broken. Some gas pipes are broken. Some places leaks are there. So work is still carried on in a very shabby, haphazard manner without any proper supervision. I call upon the people of Panjim, especially senior residents, to be alert, to raise the issue with your elected representative as well as with the officials of the Smart City Panjim works.
Question which has been answered in different manner by not only me but by other people as well. That pain will not go because there is huge corruption. There is a carrying a damn attitude to what people are suffering. And again, what I have also said before, this government is a sledgehammer majority government, and there's no opposition. So the only hope is the opposition of the people, and one day they will be overthrown, or at least as a better opposition in terms of numbers. I don't see pain going. We have possibly been deadened by the extent of pain. Because person like me, I'm a very active person, but it is falling on deaf ears. So have we given up? I don't think we have given up. We are waiting for a better time. But having said that, we have got some very good people who are working on ground. I have got great hope in my neighbor Patricia Pinto. I've always said that she's doing a great job. She's challenging governments on various fronts, including going to the court and the High Court. High Court also has been pretty good with her and with others as well. So the pain of the smart city, difficult because damage is permanent. Quality of work also is very bad, and people have died. So difficult question. I think people are already fed up of this, and maybe that is one thing also which the government is happy with. So you are fed up means you're not bothered to react. I think they are very happy about it. Dale log fed up dale, and lokache other reaction asto na. So they think they have escaped it. No, I don't think they have escaped anything of this sort. A time will come when we have to teach them a lesson, not because we want any revenge, not because we are against a particular government or a particular party, but it is basically going against the people of Goa. Simple as that. I don't think I can say much more. I've said enough.
Smart city basically लोकांक पणजेकारांक बरें आयुश्य जगपा खातीर किंवा तांचो हॅपीनेस इंडेक्स जो आसा तो बरो जावपा खातीर ही स्मार्ट सिटी खरी म्हणल्यार जावपाक जाय आशिल्ली. आयडियल सिटी in Goa, not only in Goa but in entire India. कारण जे 100 cities ज्यो हे केल्ल्यो वेचिल्ल्यो फॉर स्मार्ट सिटी तातूंतली पणजी एक सिटी आशिल्ली. गोवा बीइंग अ स्मॉल स्टेट आणि पणजी तातूंतल्यान एक ल्हानशें एक तातूंतली एक सिटी आनी कॅपिटल दिशिल्लें की जेन्ना 2016 हें सुरू जाल्लें स्मार्ट सिटी तें काम टायमार सुरू जावन ज्या पद्दतीन त्या वेळार इमॅजिन पणजी म्हणून आमकां जें दाखयल्लें की कशा पद्दतीचें काम आसतलें तें एकंदरीत तो जर विचार केलो जाल्यार काम सुरळीतपणे इतल्यान सोंपूंक जाय आशिल्लें आनी लोकांक व्यवस्थीत एक सिटी जी आसा ती एन्जॉय करपाक मेळूंक जाय आशिल्ली. नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द पीपल ऑफ पणजे दोज आर रिजायडिंग इन पणजी बट ऑल्सो दोज आर विजिटींग पणजी. पण आत्ताचें जर काम जर पळयत ज्या पद्दतीन हें काम चालू आसा तें जर लक्षांत घेत जाल्यार पणजेकारांचे अजून हाल जे आसा ते अजून कमी जावना. किंबहुना हे येता ते पावसात कळून चुकतले की हे खरेंच कमी जाला की आनीक वाडला काय म्हणून. कारण एकंदरीत काम जर पळयत हांगा जर तुमी पळयत ज्या पद्दतीचें काम चालू आसा हे पळय कशें काम चालू आसा. सो दीस इज बेसिकली सामकें सब स्टँडर्ड वर्क. क्युअरिंग टायम आसता फॉर एनी कॉन्क्रीट वर्क ते क्युअरिंग टायम दिला काय म्हणून लास्ट टायम एकदा हांवें प्रश्न केल्लो तुम्ही क्युअरिंग टायम दिला काय म्हणून. आणि हे अंडरग्राउंड जे काही गजाली जाल्ले आसा ते कितपर्यंत टिकतले हाजी शाश्वती ना. दुसरी गजाल हांवें म्हणिल्लें की सगळे स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट जावचे जितल्यो बिल्डिंग आसा, कित्याक ज्या पद्दतीचे ब्रेकर्स यूज केल्ले, ज्या भशेन मशिनरी यूज केल्ली ती जर लक्षात घेत जाल्यार आजूबाजूचे बिल्डिंग्यो ज्यो आसात तांच्या फावंडेशनाक मार बसला काय कितें हाजो सुद्दां तुम्ही विचार करपाक जाय आशिल्ले. पण म्हाका दिसता की हाजो सगळ्याचो विचार जावपाक जाय.